all-new 2023 Honda Pilot, the largest and most powerful SUV in Honda history, offering a class-leading combination of off-road capability and nimble on-road dynamics, the fourth-generation Pilot is the ultimate family SUV with rugged new styling and more passenger and cargo space. Pilot's 5 well-equipped trim levels include the new Pilot TrailSport, the most off-road capable Honda SUV ever. Designed and developed in the US, the 2023 Pilot lineup starts with the very well-equipped Sport, which comes with Honda's all-new 3.5-liter V6 that debuts on Pilot, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that has been turned exclusively for Pilot. The combination is smooth and responsive, with 285 horsepower at 6,100 rpm and 262 pound-feet of torque at 5,000 rpm. A new standard hill descent control system enhances Pilot's off-road capability. Every 2023 Pilot benefits from extensive improvements to the body, chassis and powertrain, safety technology, and overall driving refinement. A sportier and more engaging driving experience was created through an all-new chassis and Pilot's stiffest body structure ever. The extremely rigid platform was engineered with TrailSport's true off-road capabilities in mind from the beginning, which also benefits the ride, handling, and overall refinement of the entire Pilot lineup. Pilot also introduces the second generation of Honda's award-winning torque vectoring iVTM4 all-wheel drive system, which is standard on all trims. The new and more capable iVTM4 system features a stronger rear differential that can handle 40% more torque and provides 30% faster response, optimizing traction in all driving scenarios, especially slick conditions and off-road. 5 standard selectable drive modes optimize the driving experience for various conditions: normal, econ, snow, plus, new sport and tow modes. EXL models and above also feature a sand mode and a new trail mode which optimize Pilot's off-road capabilities. Pilot can tow as much as 5,000 pounds, which is more than enough for most boats, campers, or toy trailers that serve as the key to adventure for many customers. Pilot's manufacturer's suggested retail price begins with the Pilot Sport at $50,650, goes on sale in Canada on December 12th.